Hi guys, let's get saving you some money. I'm going to save you money with your motorcycle. So these are a list of common issues that if they're checked regularly enough, they can save you a lot of money. So I'm just going to go through the issues. There's 12 of them. Let's have a look. Each one of these screens will save you money. So take a screenshot of each one. I will read the issue, the cause, the effects, and how to prevent. Number 1. Underinflated or worn tyres. The cause, neglecting regular tyre pressure checks. The effects, poor handling, uneven tyre wear, increased risk of punctures, and increased risk of accident. Prevention. Check tyre pressures weekly. Replace tyres when tread is below 2mm or shows signs of damage, cracks, etc. Avoid cheap brand tyres. They do not last as long as a good quality brand and are more likely to suffer blowouts. Number 2. Loose or rusty chain. The cause, lack of cleaning and lubrication. Very hot to dry conditions here in the Philippines means more regular checks on chain and tension. The effects, noisy driving, jerky acceleration or a broken chain. Prevention, clean and lubricate the chain every 300 to 500 kilometers. Check the chain tension, 2 to 3 centimeters of play. Replace chain and sprocket as a set when worn. Number 3. Weak battery or charging problems. The cause, leaving the ignition on for long periods, fitting too many accessories using a cheap battery. The effects, difficult to start, dead battery or flickering lights. Prevention, check battery voltage between 12.5 or 13.5 volts with engine off. Only use a quality brand battery like Motorbike or USA, etc. Unused motorbikes need a short 20-minute drive one time each month to keep it in a charged state or the battery will fail. Number 4. Faulty electrical connections. The cause, water ingress, poor grounding, DIY wiring insecure. The effects, dim lights, flickering lights, component failure like horn etc. and ignition issues. Prevention, keep wiring dry and secure. During storms, take your motorbike under cover or have it covered when parked. Even just the clocks helps. Avoid overloading circuits with too many accessories. Fit relays if needed. Use grease on exposed connections. Number 5. Dirty or old engine oil. The cause, missed oil changes. The effects, engine wear or unrepairable damage, overheating or loss of power. Prevention, change engine oil every 1000 or 1500 kilometers as a guide. Always warm up the engine before draining the oil. Use oil grade as recommended in your owner's handbook, usually 1040. Number 6. Overheating, especially scooters. The cause, clogged cooling fins or poor quality engine oil. The effect, unrepairable engine damage or loss of power. Prevention, clean cooling fins and air intake one time each month. Only use quality brand oil. Avoid sitting idling for long periods like in heavy traffic. For liquid cooled engines, check fan, blades and bearing for wear and check air intake. Number 7. Clogged air filter. The cause, dry dusty roads, failure to check and clean. The effect, poor fuel economy, reduced power, engine cuts out frequently. The prevention, clean air filter one time every 2 months, replace if very dirty. Avoid using compressed air to blast clean, this can cause damage. Use hot soapy water only. Number 8. Dirty fuel or clogged carburetor. The cause, contaminated fuel, long storage, running on very low time. The effect, difficult starting, engine cuts out, poor throttle response. Prevention, buy fuel from trusted fuel stations only. If you are able, drain the carburetor bowl every 2 months. If your motorbike is not used regularly, add fuel stabiliser agent. Number 9. Worn brake pads or brake fluid neglect. The cause: ignoring brake warning light or squeaks or soft levers. The effects: weak braking performance or complete brake failure. Prevention: check pad thickness every 1000 kilometers. Replace brake fluid yearly. Avoid using cheap pads. They do not last long and can cause damage to the disc. Number 10. Bulbs dim or burnt out. The cause: vibration, water ingress, incorrect voltage bulbs. The effect: poor visibility, big safety issue. You cannot see and other road users cannot see you, especially pedestrians, kids. Prevention: use correct voltage bulbs. Use LEDs. Check all lights before you ride. Walk around checks or weekly. Check seals on lights housing area. Number 11. Loose bolts and fastenings. The cause: road vibration, lack of regular checks. The effect: noisy, rattling, lost parts, safety issue. The prevention: check and retighten bolts monthly. Handlebars, foot pegs and exhaust etc. Use thread lock on parts which frequently become loose. And finally, number 12. Neglect of suspension and bearings. The cause: overloading, rough roads. The effects: poor handling, safety issue, motorbike wobble, squeaks, reduced grip on the road. Prevention: check fork seals for leaks, damp area. Grease wheel bearings yearly. Replace worn shock absorbers early. All of these issues can be expensive or very expensive to repair. If you know what to check and when, this can save you a lot of money. I have a video on my channel which shows you how to perform safety checks and when. Channel and video details are below. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe and like. It's very important to the channel. And I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye from James.